Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be discussing averages. Now the thing about averages problems is that there are three parts to every average problem. As we move into the average formula, we see that these three parts will be the total, the number, and the average. On test questions, typically you'll be given two of these three pieces of information and the question will ask you to find the third. Now to begin to understand averages, let's take a look at a pie graph. Here's a graphic organizer to help us understand how our formula works. At the top, we can write total. To the left will be our number of items. And to the right will be the average. In between, we can place division signs. In between total and number of items, as well as total and average. In between number of items and average, we will place a multiplication sign. Our formula is T equals AN, or total equals average times the number of items. Now with this pie, we can see all of the information being organized visually. Let's take a look at manipulating our formula a bit. Here we see that total will equal the number of items times the average. The number of items will equal total divided by average. And the average will equal total divided by number of items. For example, if your friend went bowling and bowled 3 games, scoring a 71, a 90, and a 100. How would we work with this information? to determine our average. What would be the average score? We would need to add 71, 90, and 100 together to get our total. This will give us 261. Our total is 261. We have 3 items here. 3 scores. Let's divide 261 by 3. This will get us 87. Our friend's score was an 87. Our friend's average score was an 87. Now, let's use this information to answer some tested questions. The average of 3 numbers is 18. What is 2 times the sum of the 3 numbers? Let's bring in our average pi. Here we can place 3 in the number of items. And 18 for the average. Let's multiply these 2 numbers together. 3 times 18 is 54. Now the question STEM is asking for twice the sum. Let's multiply 54 by 2. "54 times 2 is 108. Our answer is 108. Let's try another. An art club of 4 boys and 5 girls makes craft projects. If the boys average 2 projects each and the girls average 3 projects each, What is the total number of projects produced by the club? Here we can use two average pies. Anytime that we see the word average, we can use our average pie. Now the first pie here will represent the information about the boys. Four boys, average 2 projects each. So let's place 4 in the number of items place and 2 in the average place. To find the total number of projects that the boys have completed, we can multiply 4 times 2 to find that we have a total of 8 projects. Now let's repeat the same process for the girls. Five girls average 3 projects each. Let's multiply 5 times 3 for a total of 15 projects. Now the question asks for the total number of projects in the class. So let's add 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 is 23 projects. Our answer is 23. There are a total of 23 projects. Great, let's try another. Catherine scores 84, 85, and 88 on her first 3 exams. What must she score on her 4th exam to raise her average to an 89? First, let's add the 3 scores to find Catherine's current point total. This will be 84, 85, and 88. This will get us a total of 257. Now we can use our average pi. We'll need to place 4 in the number of items placed because there will be a 4th test. We know the average will need to be an 89. This is our desired average. Let's place this in the average category. Here we find a total of 356 when we multiply 4 times 89. Now, let's subtract the totals. 356 minus 257. This will get us 99. What this means is that Catherine must score a 99 on the 4th test to raise her average to an 89. 99 is our answer. All right, great job today on averages. I will place more practice problems, and we will see each other next time. Take care.